Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, hot tub and portable spa dealers in Washington, D.C. publishes holiday health tips. Joe Mahoney, president of Capital Hot Tubs, has decided to help Washington, D.C. area residents stay healthy this winter holiday season. Parties, shopping, and all that tempting food can make even the most strong-willed person give in to temptation. We recommend that people try and stay as physically fit as possible while still enjoying all the season has to offer. We don't want to let the holidays destroy everyone's fitness and health, continued Mahoney. Therefore, we are providing these 3 tips for holiday fitness survival. Pack for fitness. Leaving home for the holidays, when the family has to travel to celebrate with others, don't forget to take the fitness supplies that will help everyone stay on track. Packing for fitness doesn't have to mean a lot of extra bulk. A mat to make floor work easier no matter what the surface is to work with, and loose clothes to make it more comfortable to work out are all that is really needed. Achieve a Zen state. The holidays are stressful even if the family stays home. Take the time to zone in on inner needs and meditate in a quiet place. Even a few minutes of meditation at the beginning and end of each day can make dealing with rambunctious relatives and rushing around to meet all of the demands of the holidays easier. Get into hot water. Even though dealing with extended family during the holidays can sometimes be stressful, soaking for 20 minutes at the end of the day in a soothing hot tub can release all of the stress of the day's events. Soaking in a hot tub can also help improve cardio health and even produce the beneficial effects of exercise when there isn't time to keep up with the normal routines. To help educate the public on how hydrotherapy can help improve overall health and well-being, Capital Hot Tub will provide free hot tub test soaks in our 2 locations during the entire month, said Mahoney. Consumers wanting to learn more are encouraged to pick up a copy of the free Hot Tub Buyer's Guide, 7 Steps to Hot Tub Buying Success. For more information, visit the link below. And to learn more about this video news release, visit PRReach.com.